Good morning, folks. Welcome to QuantSap. This is Vicky Sajnani here. Let's get started with the morning brief. On Friday, Nifty shut shop at 17,713. Nifty Bank at 39,077. Let's see what the SGX Nifty is pointing to. It's pointing to a 130, close to 140 points gain. That's what the futures are indicating, SGX Nifty Futures. So looks like a positive day for the markets. Let's look at the Nifty. Nifty, I think 18,000, 18,200 happen to be the two levels on the higher side. On the lower side, 17,500 and 17,000 happen to be the major levels. But there is a mild support at 17,400. So that's a perspective from the charts. Looking at the futures OI picture, clearly, I mean, we are seeing a bunch of longs coming in for Nifty. Looking at the options open interest, clearly, I mean, 17,800 happens to be a stiff level for Nifty. And the other major level is 18,000 on the higher side. So these are the two resistance points. As far as supports are concerned, 17,500 and 17,000 happen to be the two major levels on the lower side. As far as the Bank Nifty is concerned, 39,100 thereabouts was the closing. So 40,000, 40,200 happen to be the two major levels. 37,750 happens to be a strong level on the lower side. And the major level is 36,000. Unless and until that's reached, I think the bulls are intact with a bullish fervor for Bank Nifty also. Bank Nifty, the futures OI indicates some amount of short covering. Again, there's a bunch of longs which have come in. So there could be some bout of correction, but as I pointed out, that on the overall trajectory, it's in the safe zone, and we should see buying on dips coming in. As far as the Bank Nifty open interest picture is concerned, I think the major level happens to be 39,500, 40,000. On the lower side, 38,500, 38,000. Looking at the top gainers and losers, Bharat Forge, IGL, ONGC, and losers are Ipca Lab, Divi's Labs, HDFC, AMC. On the index contribution front, oil was the one which contributed in the positive territory and with 47.68 points. Private banks 15.23 points, metals 7.23 points. IT was on the negative end, pharma on the negative end, FMCG mildly negative. That's the picture we had as of close on Friday. Longs in auto ancillary, Bank Nifty stocks, cement, fertilizer, short built up in IT, infra, media. So we have one stock which is looking kind of positive, which is Ambuja Cement. Clearly, I mean, 410 and 435 happen to be the two resistance points on the higher side. 365, 355 happen to be the two supports for intermittent support at around 380 is there. So this is one which could, on some amount of buying interest coming in, I think close to 400, one could consider these positions to be on the buy side in this counter. As far as futures OI picture is concerned, you are seeing some amount of longs coming in after a short and some amount of long unwinding. So looks like if there is a push up on these prices close to 400, clearly, I mean, there should be a bullish momentum coming in. Looking at the OI picture on the options front, again, you have 400 as the stiff resistance point, as I pointed out. So that's the picture which we are getting, and 380, 360 happen to be the two levels of support. The other stock on the positive radar is AB Capital. 116 and 125 happen to be the resistance points. 103.50 and close to 95 levels happen to be the supports. AB Capital futures OI picture, again, some amount of longs coming in. Looks like a positive tinge. 115 plus should open the way for higher prices. Again, looking at the OI picture, I think the maximum OI is standing at 110. So that's the call OI. And the prices are really close to that. So clearly, I mean, there could be a momentum, and 115, 120 happen to be the two major levels on the higher side. 105 thereabouts happens to be a level on the lower side. Looking at the stocks in the band list, Tata Chemicals, Delta Corp, and Balrampur Chini. Just summarizing the overall picture: 17,400, 17,000, 17,800, 18,000. 38,500, 39,000, 37,500, 38,000. That's the bank Nifty levels. Sectoral long built up auto ancillary, cement, fertilizer. Sectoral short built up IT, infra, media. I already discussed about the two stocks, Ambuja Cement and AB Capital. Again, we recommend that you do consult your financial advisor before participating, and also clearly, I mean, you should follow a strict stop loss when you're trading in the derivatives market. The band list is Balrampur Chini, Delta Corp, and Tata Chemicals. Sorry. Wish you happy trading and all the best for the day. Thank you.